Thursday, June 8th. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. We're very fortunate. The smoke, I think, is here, but not really discernible. We are very fortunate. Oh my gosh, those poor people in New England and New York and Washington and Pennsylvania and Michigan and terrible. We need to offer up a prayer of hope and fresh air. So anyway, I just wanted to talk about things I have. As you can tell, we haven't gotten in a whole lot of new things. We always get refills and things like that. It's summertime. We got some beautiful cottons and linens and silks that you need to come in and get. But I want to remind you about two things that we have that one is exclusively at Bella Filati and the other one is something new for us. And I don't think I've spoken about it. Maybe I have. So Gloves in a Bottle is a lotion that is been around for quite a while, and I've carried it for a long time, and it is amazing. It's for dry skin. It really helps with eczema. It's an amazing, it doesn't wash off, which is kind of interesting. So you put it on and you can wash your hands, go to the bathroom, wash your hands, and it's still there. It's retains the natural moisture in your skin, and it's very healing. It's non-greasy, lasts through washings, and it's dermatologist approved. It's a hand shielding lotion for extremely dry hands. This size tube, which is 3.4 ounces, is $12.50. This is the original product. And I have this size, and then I have this 2-ounce Gloves in a Bottle that would fit in your pocketbook. So that's nice for the plane. You know, you can go on a plane with 3 ounces, I think. So anyway, these two things. This one is $8.50. All right, this is the original product. Then this year they came out with this brand new Skin MD shielding lotion, providing super hydrating, non-greasy relief for serious protection for sensitive skin. It has aloe vera, comfrey, yarrow, chamomile, and arnica. I have had customers buy this and come back and buy it again, say it's the most amazing hand lotion they have ever used. So far more effective than conventional moisturizers with advanced skin hydration. Finest botanical ingredients help protect skin from environment, irritations, and damage. Softer, smoother skin is seen within just a few days. Small amount. And you are supposed to apply it every 2 to 8 hours until the moisture level improves. So this is talking about super dry skin. So I don't think if you're regular skin, then you would need to do it every 2, but certainly twice in 8 hours would be great. Then just once every 12 to 24 hours. So awesome. So I have 2 sizes. This is the 4-ounce size, which is $15.95, and this is the 8-ounce size, which is $25.95. So I'm telling you, it's amazing. This is their newest product. Call me. I'll send it to you. It'll be great. 910-692-3528. It's awesome. All right. I stand in front of this beautiful painting every day, which was painted by Jessie McKay, who's a local, fabulous local artist. And these were, at one time she lived in England, and these were sheep that she had in her pasture, and so she did them and painted a picture of them. And actually my mom bought me this painting. Love it. Hangs here. It's the symbol for Bella Filati. I think it's on our webpage. If it's not, it's somewhere else. But anyway, we took that and we made it into a pair of socks. What? Yes. So they were able to take these 3 sheep, I think, these three, and, oh no, maybe not. It's these 3. It's the 2 whites with the 1 black-headed. Anyway, and they digitized it. They took the field, it's everything, and they made Bella Filati socks. It's from Living Royal. I have had people say these are the most cozy and comfortable socks they have ever worn. They're sort of like a tube sock, although they have a little bit of a heel. One size fits women's size 4 to 12 and men's size 6 to 13. Who knew? They're $13.50. You can only get them from us. What a great gift for your yarny, sheepy friends, male or female. So there you go, $13.50. Once again, only at Bella Filati. Love our socks. I told you about the Worldwide Knit and Public Day. Please get it on your calendar. Saturday. It's going to be fun. I think we're going to have a crowd. We'll be stretched all the way down the block. It'll be so fun. I love that. And I think it's going to be a good day, pretty day. So that's also good. We've got, we're working. This is fun. Ashley and my team, Ashley's the instigator, on my team are working on a kids camp. What? A kids camp for this summer for 1 week in July, a Monday through Friday, and 1 week in August with a different activity every day, only for 2 hours from, I think from 10 to 12 maybe. And so different activity each day. So it's a whole week package. So you could do both weeks or you could do one or the other. So we're getting ready to put that together and get it sent out sometime next week. So if you want your kids to be busy between the ages of 8 and 12, ages of 8 and 12, all right? That's a week in July and a week in August. Free time, couple free hours for all the moms. Love it. All right, I think that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.